Okay, so reading is still hard. And we have finally, on the board, gotten, I don't know where my cap went, got 18.1, number 35, which says, make the line integral negative, where the vector field is AI plus BJ minus K, where C is a line segment from 1, 2, 3 to 1, 2, C. Right? Okay. All I need to do is make the answer out of the line integral negative, right? And I don't, at this point, this is an 18.1 problem, right? So they think I can do this without knowing anything about how to actually compute a line integral, right?
It should just be the opposite.
You guys see that?
Yeah.
Like, okay, so someplace is the point 1, 2, 3. You guys with me?
Yeah.
And where is the point 1, 2, C?
Above or below.
Somewhere.
Yeah, it's either straight above or straight below, right? So I'm going to just assume it's above for right now, and we'll deal with it if that's wrong.
Wait, isn't it supposed to be negative?
So they want me to get it so the line integral is negative, right? So where does that vector field point? Yeah, so I need it to work against this thing, right? To get a negative answer. But they gave me a vector field. So I need to know above 1, 2, right? Someplace in 1, 2, comma, whatever, which direction does that thing point? Well, it's kind of a pain in the ass, right? Because
Okay, I see it, yeah.
at 1, 2, something, right? You guys see that? Like along this line, that thing looks like 1, 2, comma, minus 1. So it doesn't point straight down, but
For this sake, what we're doing.
It points down in each direction.
yeah, it points kind of generally down, right? It points like down and that way, kind of.
Yeah.
It's
You
raining.
guys see that? But either way, it's not going to help me go from 1, 2, 3 up to 1, 2, C. You guys see that? So my condition on this thing is that C, right, has to be bigger than 3. That'll do this. You guys see why C is the only thing I'm worried about?
Yeah, it's 1, 2, and don't change.
The only thing.
If I wanted to do this with parameterization, like if I wanted to use a tool that I would have later, right? I would think to myself, okay, I want to take the integral of f, right, and dot with dr. So I might come up with some parameterization from the line, or for the line from 1, 2, 3 to 1, 2, C, right? You guys see that? I might parameterize that by 1, 2, comma, t. You guys with me? Okay, so if I evaluate f at 1, 2, comma, t, I get 1, 2, negative 1. Right, that same thing. I had to think about that anyway. And then I need to dot with the derivative. So what's the slope of your line here? Yeah, your line just points up, right? So 0, 0, 1 dt, and then you're integrating from, where are your bounds?
3 to whatever.
So I'm thinking about this thing as r of t, right? Is 1, 2, t.
Shouldn't it be 1, 2, negative t for the f evaluated at r?
No, there's no variable there.
Oh,
You guys with me? Okay, and my t's go from, where do your times run? they run from 3 to C, right?
Okay.
You guys see this? And so out of this crap, you're going to get minus C plus 3. And you want that to be negative, right? So you want minus C plus 3 to be less than 0. So you, like, all algebra 1. Okay, and now this is the part where you guys know more than the algebra 1 students. What do you do to both sides?
With the first
Yeah, apply a decreasing function, right, which switches the inequality. So you're applying the decreasing function f of x is minus x to both sides. And you get c is bigger than 3. Yay. Cool.
I just want to know, it doesn't change the answer of the question, but A and B are supposed to be other variables that we decide what they're supposed to be. They end up being any number.
Yeah.
I just want to know it's not x and y. It's not 1 and 2 in this scenario. It's not always those two numbers.
No, A and B are not always 1 and 2, but along this line segment,
They are you're supposed to give what they are on this.
Yeah.
If it was equal to x and equal to y, then it would be those numbers, but it could technically be any constant.
yeah, you guys all see that? A and B are unspecified. So when I say C is bigger than 3, I'm making no specifications about A and B here. You guys see that? This is like that 3 dimensions versus 2 dimensions thing, where if the Z isn't specified, it's allowed to be whatever. You guys see that? So here in my answer, A can be whatever and B can be whatever. Because along this line, right, the x coordinates always 1 and 2. Oh, I see what you mean. I'm just an idiot. Yeah, these should always be A and B.
Yeah, they get dotted out in
I'm
the end,
just, yeah.
so it doesn't matter, but I just wanted to make sure that note.
Yeah, thank you. That was very stupid on my part. You guys see what I did? I thought those read x and y like an idiot, and then I answered Ben's question like an idiot. But those are A and B. Those are unspecified. You guys see this? Cool. Thanks. Good catch, Ben.